How to react with emojis on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can react with emojis on Messenger. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First, open the Messenger application on your device. Now open the chat section, tap on this chat, and this will open all of the conversations you have started. Now here, scroll down and open one conversation. Let's open this one. Open it. Now in order to react to their chat, or let's say their message, all you have to do is long press on their message and you can see the reactions right here. You can also tap on this plus right here to add more reactions, just like this, and you can see your reaction has been sent. Repeat the same process to change the reaction like this. Super simple, right? Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.